Mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel. This is Daryl again. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to use indefinite articles in Spanish. Last time, we learned how to use el or la in Spanish. But today, I'm gonna teach you how to use una, unos, and unas. If you're new to my channel, girl, let's hit the subscribe button. I do videos about language learning, and most of the time I teach Spanish here in my room. So let's just get right into the video. Hello again. For those of you who don't know me, yo soy Daryl, yo soy Filipino y vivo aquí en Madrid. So, as I was telling you a while ago, we already learned how to form the definite articles in Spanish. We used el, la, los, and las. And now, I'm gonna teach you how to use a and in Spanish. So, we use un for masculine, una for feminine, unos for masculine plural, and unas for feminine plural. To make it clear, I'm gonna give you more examples on how to use them and some nouns that go with them. So here are some examples. So for example, Daryl, how do we say a boy? Un chico. How about a girl in Spanish? Una chica. How about some boys? Unos chicos. And some girls? Unas chicas. So basically, the form that we use to make this translation from English to Spanish is just the word un. We basically, from un, it becomes una, and then unos, unas. So depending on what you want to use, you definitely have to use the proper indefinite article. I also have some examples here. For example, we have un abrigo, unos abrigos. Great. Una casa, a house, or some houses, unas casas. Muy bien. But Daryl, how do we do if a noun, for example, starts with a vowel like águila, an eagle? How do we do that? What are we gonna do is we're gonna use un águila, because the noun starts with a vowel, which is a. So we no longer have to use una águila. We just have to use un. Okay, so the answer is un águila. Muy bien! As we know, indefinite articles can also be used to indicate quantity. For example, I have here a list of sentences where we can use some of them. Número 1. Necesito un lápiz. Necesito un lápiz. So, I need a pencil. Necesito un lápiz. Número 2. Una entrada, por favor. Una entrada, por favor. Una entrada, which means an entrance ticket. An entrance ticket, please. So, una entrada. As we know, entrada is feminine, and since we want to use an entrance ticket, we say una entrada. Muy bien. However, there are some cases wherein we have to use unos and unas to indicate something that is plural. For example, for scissors, we use unas. Necesito unas tijeras, por favor. Necesito unas tijeras, por favor. So we use unas. So it's always plural, and that's why we use unas, not just una. Or we can also say, necesito unos vaqueros. Necesito unos vaqueros, por favor. So, unos vaqueros. Jeans. Great. So here I've got a list of nouns wherein we can use una, unos, and unas. So, this is an exercise and I want you to do this. So, are you ready? So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna give you the word and you have to tell me if you're gonna use una, unos, or unas. ¿Estáis listos? Muy bien! Here they are. Uno. Número uno. Flor. Una flor. Muy bien. Número dos. Sillas. Chairs. Sillas. Unas sillas. Muy bien. Número tres. Relojes. Relojes. Unos relojes. Muy bien. Número 4. Paraguas. Paraguas. Unas paraguas. Muy bien. Número 5. Alumnos. Alumnos. Unos alumnos. Muy bien. Cine. Cine. Un cine. So, do you still remember that cine, even if it doesn't end in o, we still use the masculine form because it's masculine. So, not all words that end in o are masculine. So, some of them can be also ending in e or in consonant. So, we use, in this case, we still use the masculine form. Habitación. Habitación. Una habitación. Muy bien. Número 8. Lápices. Lápices. Unas lápices. Muy bien. Número 9. Chica. Chica. Una chica. ¡Qué bien! Aulas. Aulas. Unas aulas. Muy bien. Unas aulas. Ciudad. Ciudad. Una ciudad. Muy bien. Aula. Aula. Un aula. Un aula. Muy bien. If you notice, aula ends in a, but then we use un. Why? Do you still remember? I think someone remembers. Great, because aula ends or starts, aula starts with letter a. And so we need to use un for the article. Un aula, not una aula. Okay? Great. Número 13. Profesora. Profesora. Una profesora. Muy bien. Número 14. Pantalones. Pantalones. Unos pantalones. Muy bien. And last number, guys. Last number. Oh my god. Camarero. Número 15. Camarero. Waiter. Un camarero. Muy bien, guys. You're so amazing. So, there you have it, guys. This is just a review of un, una, unos, unas. These are the indefinite articles in Spanish. I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. And we're gonna study more soon. I'm gonna give you some grammatical lesson. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. I do need it. Guys, come on. Click the notification bell for more videos to come. And I'm gonna see you soon. Ciao!